With a young bird, almost always there's parents around. What happens is when they leave the nest, there's a period of time, and their parents
You
are
want it
still
on?
leaving.
Okay. You want it on?
But they're learning how to do it in danger, how to drink water, like in Zipper's case, how to identify.
It's pretty cool.
Which one did you
And
write
mom's
down?
watching when she stays in a distance.
This one?
No, no, don't go there. It's kind of just...
And they think
Yeah.
that they're orphaned and they bring them
What do you think?
in. Now what happens
Yeah, finished up.
is they get used to kids, they get used to cats. They're fed the wrong diet, and then they end up with problems like this has with his tail. But they become imprinted, and when they become imprinted, they can never get released in the wild. So they lose their freedom. And so the whole time that they have them in their homes, they're trying to do a good thing. But it would be as if someone took one of your children and put him in a cage and fed him whatever it was that, let's say a lion, let's say the kids went home with a lion. And so the lion was feeding them lion food. They were in this cage with this lion, and they didn't know that they were evil anymore. And then the lion got tired of them and decided, I know, I did a good job raising this kid. I'm going to go ahead and kick him out now. And so now we don't know anything about cars, and we don't know anything about dogs, and we don't know any of the dangers. We don't know how to identify food. And most of them will die. So that's what happens. And what you think about with the parents is this. If you took one of the kids and you handed him a keys to the car,